Hey guys, this is CodeMagic here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mysql database. Now, mysql databases are used to make data tables, which ultimately let you store information like logins, emails, anything like that, recipes. It doesn't matter. You could just add data in there and save it, and you could get it later online on an online source. So for an example, I'm going to show you how to make one on dbforfree.net. Now this is a free MySQL database. It's just for your testing environment. It states somewhere in here. But there are premium databases that you could pay for. But all the free ones that I've seen, they only give you like 5 megabytes, 10 megabytes, somewhere around there. But just for showing you guys how to make one, I'm gonna use this. So once you get on here, you wanna click to create a database account. Click here. Now just click there. It'll take you to a login or a register form. Sorry about that. And you just want to type in your database name. Now your database name cannot be taken, or it's just like a username that's taken. It'll say that it's taken. Same with your username, you can't have that taken. But you can see here in watermark that it says the requirements. It also will say the requirements for your username. Same thing. Password. Just follow along with that. Type in your password, repeat your password, and now down here that says allow access from following IP. You want to leave it at a %sign. What that is let's say you want super security and you don't want anyone besides you logging into your MySQL database. What you would do is type in your IP address in here, and it'll allow you only to get in your database. Now, I don't suggest you do that because let's say you change your internet, change your router, anything like that, and your IP changes, you basically cannot log into your MySQL database and get information from there. So you'll have to create a whole new database, and you might lose your information that you had on the other one. Now, for default collation, you want to leave that. Your email address, just type in your email address. Check that I have read the conditions of use and I agree with them. Apply for your MySQL account. Now it'll send you an email to your email address. Scroll all the way to the bottom. There'll be a link there. Click it. It'll take you back to this site, and you successfully created your MySQL database. Now right here you can log in. I've already made a test YouTube account. Password is test YouTube something too. Click login. It'll take you here. Login. Now you'll have two things right here: your information schema and your database. Now you only want to click on your database. You don't want to mess with this. Click the plus sign here. Click new. For my table name, I'm gonna name it new YouTube. Now since there's 4 here, I'm gonna show you how to make a login table, so you could add this to your website to make people to allow people to log in, register, all that good stuff. So for the first column, I'm going to add user ID. Now I use this to show how many people have registered on my website, on my program, on my MySQL database. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. For the type, you're going to leave it at integer since it's going to be a number. Length/values, you want to add 255. That's the most you could have in length and values. And right over here where it says AI, that's auto increment, check that. Now what that does is every time someone creates an account on your database, it will count 1. So every time you'll add an account, it'll count 1 plus how many there were. So if you had 1 account and there was only 1, it would be 1. If you had 2, it would be 2. If you had 3, it would be 3. It'll automatically count how many accounts there are. So that's useful to just know how many people have signed up and registered. So this good this is a good starting point. Now the second column, I'm gonna add username for their username. Now you want to change that to one down varchar, variable character that's basically text. Now you want to change that to 255 again, and you don't want to add that to an auto increment because we don't want to make that automatically count. Now password, you want to do the same thing. And since there's 4, I would usually just leave it here, but since there's 4, I'm gonna just add email 255 again. Now once you're done, you just click save, and it'll save here. Now anytime you want to add a column here, since you're like, okay, so sorry about that, I didn't notice here. This is all your tables here. As you can see, the one that we just created, new YouTube. Once you're here, if you want to ever add a table or add a row here, let's say you want to add a birthday to, you could just click right here. It says add one column, how many columns you want to add at the end of table, at the beginning of table, or after. Let's say I want it, no, actually at the end of the table. Just click go. Username, or no, name, just say bday varchar 255. Save. Wait a couple seconds here, and it's added. So anytime you want to add one, delete one, it's very easy. You could just select one or more, and change it, delete it, whatever you want. Over here on SQL, this is SQL coding. You could code an SQL here manually, not depending on this over here. As I don't want to make this video too long, so I just showed you how to make a basic database and a basic table here for a login. Now anyone could now if you add this to your website in PHP, you can allow users to create an account on your website. And just, this is very simple. You could add a lot more stuff on here, make it a lot more complicated. If you know what you're doing, it's just a simple video tutorial on how to make a database and a data table. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you guys out a lot, and I'll see you on my next video.